Ferrero Rocher is one of the world's most beloved chocolates. Its exquisite combination of hazelnuts, chocolate, and that unmistakable crunch transforms every bite into an unparalleled pleasure that has captivated millions worldwide. Every day, millions of these golden chocolates are produced and shipped to every corner of the globe, ready to delight chocolate lovers. And as you watch this video, you might find yourself craving one of these iconic chocolates. But have you ever wondered how they're actually made? Behind every Ferrero Rocher lies a meticulous and carefully designed process, crafted to ensure its unmatched quality and flavor. From selecting the finest hazelnuts to achieving the perfect balance between chocolate and its creamy filling, every detail is precisely engineered to deliver that unique experience they're known for. How do they manage to mass-produce these delicious chocolates without compromising their artisanal quality? Well, today we'll take you inside a Ferrero Rocher factory to discover, step by step, how these delectable chocolates that have conquered palates worldwide are made. And who knows, after learning about their manufacturing process, savoring one of these chocolates might be an even more special experience. So get ready, because if you're a chocolate lover, this video will probably whet your appetite. Let's begin. Step 1. Selecting the ingredients. It all starts with two of Ferrero Rocher's main ingredients, chocolate and hazelnuts. The milk chocolate provides the smooth and creamy outer layer that characterizes the chocolate. It's made by combining cocoa paste, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder in large mixing tanks, where the ingredients are processed until they achieve a perfect texture and an unparalleled flavor. On the other hand, hazelnuts form the core of its exquisite flavor. Cultivated in vast fields of countries like Italy, Turkey, and Chile, these little gems grow in ideal conditions thanks to the perfect climate and soil. They are harvested at their optimal ripeness using natural methods or gentle mechanical vibrations and undergo rigorous inspection to ensure uniform size, freshness, and quality. Once harvested, the hazelnuts are transported under controlled conditions to preserve their freshness. In the factory, hazelnuts become the heart of Ferrero Rocher, surrounded by hazelnut cream, enveloped in milk chocolate, and topped with crunchy pieces. The rest of the chocolate is composed of the crispy wafer that envelops the hazelnut heart, the hazelnut cream that fills its interior, and the hazelnut pieces that crown its surface. This combination of textures provides the perfect balance of creaminess, crunch, and smoothness in every bite. Did you know that approximately 25% of the hazelnuts produced worldwide are used to create these chocolates? A figure that reflects their global impact. Get ready to discover how these ingredients are transformed into one of the world's most iconic delicacies. Let's go to the factory. Step 2. Arrival at the factory and initial transformation. At the factory, tons of hazelnuts and chocolate ingredients arrive ready for transformation. The hazelnuts, transported in specialized trucks that preserve their freshness, are unloaded and placed on a conveyor belt system. Here begins their preparation to become the heart of Ferrero Rocher. First, the hazelnuts undergo a meticulous cleaning process that removes any remaining leaves, dirt, and impurities using air currents and vibrating sieves. Step 3. Creating the creamy filling. Ferrero Rocher wouldn't be the same without its delicious creamy filling, a perfect combination that defines its unmistakable flavor. It all begins in enormous industrial tanks where liquid chocolate is mixed with finely ground hazelnuts and other carefully selected ingredients. This process, carried out with millimeter precision, ensures that the mixture achieves a smooth and silky texture. Rotating paddles inside the tanks constantly mix the ingredients at a controlled temperature, achieving a perfect balance between the sweetness of the chocolate and the intensity of the hazelnuts. Once the filling cream reaches its optimal point, it is transferred to a production line where high-precision machinery molds it into small spheres. These spheres are designed to hold a whole hazelnut inside, forming the iconic core of each Ferrero Rocher. Before continuing, each batch undergoes rigorous quality testing. Experts evaluate the consistency, flavor, and texture to ensure that every chocolate maintains the high standards of excellence that characterize Ferrero Rocher. Thousands of liters of chocolate and hazelnut cream are processed each day to mold the spheres that will give life to the chocolates. With the core perfectly assembled, we are ready to move on to the next step in creating this delicacy. Let's assemble the Ferrero Rocher. Step 4. Forming the perfect core. Here is where the key process of Ferrero Rocher begins, the creation of its central core. Each whole hazelnut is carefully placed in the center of the creamy filling, forming the heart of the chocolate. Before the core is complete, the crunchy wafer that surrounds and seals this mixture enters the scene. The wafers are made in thin layers from a special mixture of flour, water, and other ingredients, which are then molded into small, spherical domes using high-precision machines. Once ready, the wafers are strategically placed on the production line, where each hazelnut and cream core is encapsulated between two halves of the wafer. An automated system ensures that the halves are perfectly aligned and sealed with precision, forming a compact and uniform sphere. This step not only provides the characteristic crunch to Ferrero Rocher, but also protects the creamy core and the hazelnut inside, maintaining freshness and the balance of flavors. After being assembled, the cores pass through a cooling tunnel where the structure solidifies, leaving everything ready for the next stages, the chocolate bath and the addition of the crunchy layer. Step 5. The crunchy coating and chocolate bath. At this stage, Ferrero Rocher acquires its unmistakable texture and irresistible combination of flavors. The cooled cores are carefully submerged in a special mixture of high-quality liquid chocolate, enriched with small pieces of toasted hazelnut. This process begins in enormous industrial vats filled with tempered chocolate at the exact temperature to ensure an even and fluid coating. As the cores advance along the rollers, they are impeccably coated. Immediately afterwards, a synchronized rain of toasted hazelnut pieces falls on them as they rotate in specialized drums. This step ensures that each chocolate receives the perfect amount of hazelnut pieces, creating that crunchy layer that makes them unique. After coating, the chocolates pass through a high-tech cooling tunnel where the chocolate and hazelnut layer solidifies. This process not only seals the flavors, but also guarantees the characteristic shine that distinguishes Ferrero Rocher. Have you ever wondered how they managed to get each piece of hazelnut perfectly distributed? The key lies in the specialized drums and precise synchronization that ensure each chocolate is a masterpiece of balance and texture. A fun fact: the exact formula of the chocolate used is a carefully guarded secret, known only to a select group of experts. This mystery adds a touch of exclusivity to a chocolate that is already iconic in its own right. With the crunchy layer ready, it's time to add the final touch that turns Ferrero Rocher into a symbol of luxury, its iconic gold wrapper. Step 6. The gold wrapper and packaging. The next step is to dress the Ferrero Rocher in its iconic gold paper, an unmistakable design that we all recognize and that has made this chocolate a symbol of luxury and distinction. Each chocolate is individually wrapped by high-precision automated machines, specifically designed to carefully handle these delicacies. The machines take the gold paper and adjust it perfectly around each chocolate, folding and securing it with precision to maintain uniformity in all wrappers. This process ensures that each chocolate is protected and ready to impress. The gold paper is not only a symbol of luxury, but also serves an important function by protecting the chocolate from moisture and light, preserving its freshness and quality. During the process, the production lines can wrap up to 12,000 chocolates per hour, a true feat of automated engineering that guarantees speed without compromising excellence. Once wrapped, the chocolates are carefully placed in their characteristic transparent packaging. These packages not only protect the product during transport, but also enhance its elegance, turning each Ferrero Rocher into a true visual treat that catches everyone's eye on the shelves. Step 7. Final enjoyment. Finally, the journey of Ferrero Rocher culminates with you. When you unwrap its iconic gold paper, that gentle crunch announces that you're about to enjoy a unique experience. Each bite is a tribute to the meticulous process that combines technology, tradition, and an incomparable passion for excellence. From the crunchy chocolate coating with hazelnut pieces, to the creamy filling, to the whole hazelnut in its core, each layer is designed to conquer your palate in perfect harmony. Ferrero Rocher is not just a sweet, it's a symbol of dedication and art. However, although it is irresistible, it's important to enjoy it in moderation, savoring its excellence while maintaining a balanced consumption. To conclude, we want to know your opinion. What part of Ferrero Rocher do you enjoy the most? The crunchy hazelnut, the creamy filling, or the chocolate coating? Leave a comment and share this fascinating process with other chocolate lovers.